we go. Firing. All right, so this is the setup right now. The blaster is very, very janky together right now because I wanted to test this ASAP. Doesn't even have a mag release, so I've just got a piece of elastic wrapped around there. This is the magazine. It feeds very nicely. So we've got some darts, or some shells, I should say. Got some shells. This magazine holds 7, like that. You can see there. Right now, this blaster is just wired and coded right now on the electronics box right there, which has an Arduino in it. This is literally exactly the same setup that I have in the HPA thing. I gutted my HPA thing, took out the Nomad, took out the electronics out of the grip and the solenoid, and I just put it into here. So this doesn't have the correct timing right now to fire. It does fire, but it doesn't have the correct timing to allow the tank to fully recharge and have the bolt go back and forth correctly when firing. So darts aren't coming out the barrel, but it's not a mechanical issue. It's I haven't changed the code and I don't want to wait to change that to do some firing issue. So, shells. This magazine holds 7 shells. It goes in here. I'm going to have to add a bit of code to do a bolt pull back and then just go back forwards in order to load the magazine, because right now bolt is in the way of loading the magazine cleanly, and it is an incredibly hard pull back because the solenoid is on right now. There we go. So once we get that jammed in there, holy crap, okay. Theoretically, that is the magazine loaded now, as you can see there. And then I can cycle this. However, this is cycling at the speed of a 3-round burst from the HPA thing, which is not correct for this at all. I will also put the elastic in place to keep the magazine in. There we go. So, yeah, this is great. Anyway, here we go. Firing. As you can see from that one, tried to fire the Mega Dart, but it can't because the timing for firing is not correct, as I said. So it's not letting it eject because the dart is sticking out the front. There we go. So yeah, that is extremely promising. Very, very, very happy with that. That is awesome. So awesome. So yeah, that is the HPA Silly Shell Blaster using Cosmic Nomad HPA core by RoboMan, that guy, to power it, as well as a pneumatic cylinder that I bought on AliExpress. So yeah, extremely happy with that. I will work on update to the code to make it properly timed for this blaster as opposed to for the HPA thing, the Talon magazine HPA blaster that I made. But so happy with this. This is so good. And I think that I'm currently running low on air in this tank. Is that right? Yep. This is running low on PSI. But so it's going to get a bit sluggish, but essentially, yeah. You can see it's not doing full cycles back and forth. That's because of the messed up timing. So I've got to work on that. But other than that, incredibly happy with this. Yeah. All right, bye-bye. Thanks for watching.